Most middle schools treat the week before spring break like a slow crawl to the finish line. At Lincoln, we accelerate right through it. We are officially entering week 5 of our March Music Madness practice challenge, and the objective is simple: keep building that momentum. First up, your Elite 8 practice log is due first thing Monday morning. Because this bracket isn't hosted in Google Classroom, you have to bring the physical sheet with you to class. Keep in mind, that paper log doesn't replace your standard digital routine. You still need to submit your regular practice time in Google Classroom as usual. The new Final 4 practice log goes home tomorrow, and it is due this Friday, no exceptions. For the players who want to keep their chops up over vacation, Mr. Coville is also launching a spring break extra credit challenge to bridge the gap. A band only sounds as tight as its weakest link. Hitting these daily practice deadlines ensures the entire ensemble comes back from break ready to play, rather than starting over. The upper-level ensembles are already laying the groundwork for next year's roster. On March 26th, the 7th and 8th grade jazz band performed for the incoming 5th graders. They represented the program brilliantly, showing students from all 4 elementary schools exactly what they can achieve if they pick up an instrument next year. We're also bringing in high-level reinforcements. On Tuesday, March 31st, Mr. Spencer Martin joins us in the band room. He's running a specialized clinic for our 7th and 8th grade concert bands, giving them direct access to collegiate-level instruction to refine their sound and push their technique. By showing the 5th graders what's possible and letting our 8th graders learn from university directors, Lincoln creates a continuous loop of musical growth. But all of those big performances start with isolated routines at home. Family support and consistent instrument time are what make the following assignments possible. 6th grade band, you have your musical words and definitions quiz this week, plus test number 16 on page 39. For repertoire, lock in When the Saints Go Marching In and Sousa Spectacular. 7th and 8th grade concert bands, your technical focus is the circle of fourths. That means mastering B-flat, E-flat, A-flat, D-flat, G-flat, B, E, A, D, G, C, and F concert scales, both major and minor, specifically targeting the flat 3 and 6. You also have your Rhythm Vocabulary 11B test, executed at a strict 120 beats per minute. On top of that, you need to prepare 7 pieces, including Summit Ridge, Talons of Fire, and Mountain View Overture. For the jazz bands, the directive is clear. Listen to the jazz greats at home and memorize your B-flat blues scale. 6th grade jazz is actively recruiting a few more woodwinds to round out the mix. Meanwhile, the 7th and 8th grade jazz musicians must have their transcribed solos completely memorized. Nailing these specific scales, tempos, and solos in your bedroom is exactly how the ensemble delivers a flawless performance on stage. All this preparation points directly towards Phase 2, our public execution dates coming up in April. Here is your operational timeline. The Spencer Martin Clinic lands March 31st. April 20th, the 8th concert band joins Pullman High School for a combined concert. Then, April 23rd, the jazz band heads to the University of Idaho for a morning performance. None of those loud ovations happen without the quiet hours of practice and family encouragement happening right now. To see the results of all this hard work, make sure you're subscribed to the LMS Instrumental Music YouTube channel and follow the band's pages on Instagram and TikTok. Mr. Coville is asking every student to attack this final week before break with absolute precision. Put in the reps today, and you'll own the stage next month.
Ring-a-ding-ding!
Subscribe now.